Hello everyone, Peter here. For those who don't know, we repair electronics here. Guys, so on the day before, which I see release date will be on the 16th November 2022, there was a full backlight secret. So it's the way I'm testing backlights, and I haven't seen anybody showing this way by putting light on it and checking how much voltage we get. So that's why it is a secret because nobody talks about it from what I've seen. Maybe there is somebody, but I haven't seen them. So that was for this TV here. Okay, I was talking about this TV. If you watched in Jobs update by Karate Kid, yes, its release date on the 4th, on tomorrow, 4th of November. So guys, I've plugged in all those diodes which were done in the episode before this. I've plugged in the main board with power supply and the wire, and we can test it out. Okay, we can test it out. I don't know if that will light up, because all I know is that I've put it all on. Let me put it here, and let's see if that will lit up or not. Now that's weird, because we've got power on. Let me check and I'll come back to you, because I thought it will work in the first attempt. Okay guys, so what I did is I unscrewed the standby light, okay, which was on that plastic frame, and let us now plug in this power. So it's blinking, still blinking red, and still blinking red. So it's no luck. Look guys, although I fixed those diodes, it's not working. The backlight is not lighting up. So there is more fault to it, which I need to check. So what you would check now, yes? Well, I know for a fact that there was an issue with those LEDs, yes? But we know that this is red blinking right now. So what I could test is I can test if the voltage is coming into these, yes, strips. Because if the voltage is coming in, that's mean there is an additional problem with these, yes? So that's what I need to do. I'll check as well if the voltage is coming in, I will check which one caused the trouble, because maybe only one of them causing the trouble and the rest are fine, yes? So I'll be right back. There is one diode faulty. I did check all of them, they were all fine. This one diode either I didn't remove, because I was removing all faulty ones. Sorry, I paused the recording. So I need to fix that diode, yes, because I can't leave one diode faulty and TV is not working because of that. So let me go fix it and I'll be back. Okay guys, so we got it. One more diode, more paste, more diodes, yes, and the job is done. So let's see this time how it will go. Whoa! That's a backlight, I'm telling you. Okay, and it's off. So why it's off? Okay, I can see that it is bright and it is working this time. So I'll turn it off, guys. I don't want to look at it. You don't want to look at it. Okay. turn it off. So guys, that's it. I can assemble the TV. I've got different colors of those diodes, so I will assemble it and I will see if that will give me shadowing. If so, I'll have to open it and remove all, you know, like full lot of them. Unfortunately, that's the case. But I can say that before I was changing one diode here and there. Today I've swapped like 5 of them, so it's only 13 left, and it doesn't take me anymore such a long time. So if I can just scrub everything, you know, and then do everything, that won't take me a lot. Yes, I'm telling you straight away, 18 diodes is not a problem to replace. If I would have to replace 100 diodes, well, yes, that would take me, you know, like much more than that. Yes, but you can see you had a video which was full backlight secret. Yes, that was the previous video, so I've showed you how I'm dealing with them. To be true, I'm using stand, like I don't know if this stand here, okay, but it's easier to do with a vise. Okay, that's what I haven't told you in the previous video. So I'm using this one, okay, and this one is really good, but I like vise more, to be true. If I can do it with a vise, it's okay. Vise is better just because I can heat from the bottom. Yes, so I don't have to put straight heat on the LED. That's why, in my humble opinion, it's better if you can heat the bottom, then the paste will melt, yes, and then the LED will align. Okay, so for me that technique is working better. The downside of that technique is that you can have this LED and it can bend, you know, a bit, so you need to be careful when you're doing it. But you can heat from the bottom, which is great, and you don't have this heat for the LED. But please share your thoughts, how you prefer to do it if you're doing it, yes? Because for me, right now, I can say that I don't see a problem with replacing all 18 diodes, yes? Yes, it will take me some time, but again, if I know that I will replace all of them, I know that this backlight is new, because these diodes are new, yes? So if I can use the heat from the bottom and don't put the heat straight on the diode, I'm super happy, yes? And in that case, you know, instead of me paying 20 or 30 pounds for the backlight, yes, I can do it myself, yes, and be paid for 1 hour almost 30 pounds, because if I'll charge 30 pounds, and then minus these diodes, which are cheap, so it's not a problem. So I think that's a fair deal, you know, just a bit more practice and I can do it. So that's all I wanted to show you, because I can do the rest myself, yes. By the way, the Polaroid, which I've done just not a long time ago, days back, if you would check, I've smashed the screen. I don't have it anymore. Unfortunately, it was my one, so I did that to my one, and you know, I'm not lying, so you know the truth. If I'm doing such problems as I did to myself, you know it, and I smashed it, and I don't have it. It's just that the display, I left it on the sides, because I've noticed that I've put wrongly, you know, the light was showing with weird marks on them, and I had to replace how the sheets were aligned, yes, and unfortunately I've done it wrongly and I had to open it again, and instead of grabbing on the shorter side, I've grabbed it on the longer side, and I lifted up and I heard this crack, and I'm saying, oh. So the dearest part in the TV is damaged, and in that case it's my loss, guys, it's my loss. But anyways, that's all I wanted to share with you. Hopefully you've got a value. Now I'm using plexiglass. I'm putting sliding underneath the plexiglass. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye. And thank you for liking and subscribing.